Hello everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts. My name is Basir. Today I want to take you to road number 1, fall G test at Guelph City. So I park my car in reverse when the examiner is asking me take the right, shift the gear to drive, put the signal, check 360 degree all around, left, right, smoothly creep up to the left, sorry. So here you can go the speed of 15, 10 to 20 maximum. If you go 10 is so slow, but in case of necessary, if you see people are walking here, other cars are crossing, so 10 is okay at that time. So here we are going to the right, check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot. You don't have a stop sign, but in case if there is a car, you need to stop. So we don't have any cars coming from my left. I need to go. So here the examiner will ask you make a right turn. So check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the complete stop. So come to the complete stop, creep up a little bit. If another car is coming, you can no I can go, no cars coming here. So here we are, the speed limit here is I think 60, so we need to go 60. Yeah, it is 60. So we are going to highway 6. So in the highway 6 the speed limit is 70. It is quite easy. So whenever you are driving, just watch pedestrian light. Pedestrian lights gonna help you a lot. It is 3, 2, 1. I cannot go. I need to stop here. So after this traffic light, we're gonna make a left turn because we are going to the highway 6. Driving in the winter is a little bit hard, but if you train in the winter, that is easy. How to use brake, how to check the traffic, how much the distance should be between you and the other cars. So that is quite easier if you know all these things. So I have green light, check the left, right, need to put the signal to the left, check blind spot, smoothly come. Again, I need to come to the left, check the mirror, put the signal, come to the left. Here we are going to the highway 6. Highway 6, my light is green, a car is at the middle, I cannot go. Now I can go. So it is changed to amber. I can go. So here, once you come to the left line, you need to pick up the speed, then make a lane change to the right. So right now it is not safe for me. Car is in my blind spot and also railway. Check left, right. So once you came here, you need to check, go to the left, right. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. The car is in my blind spot. I will let him to go. Then I can go. Another railway crossing. Check left, right until you are not. You don't have any. Until someone is in your blind spot, you don't need to turn off the signal. Now no one is in my blind spot. I need to turn off my signal. So when you are testing in the winter, so just be careful to clean your windshield and also the back window, so you can see clearly. So, and also whenever you are parked, you must have enough distance from the other cars. Speed is 70. For those people, they are not good in controlling speed, and they are a little bit worried about the speed. They don't have lots of confidence. Guelph is okay to them. So we got green light, check right, left. So the speed is 70, but I cannot go 70 due to snow, and also other cars, they are also going the same speed. So now my speed is 57. So I must have more than 3 second different distance. So there is next intersection, they are asking you to make a right turn, so we need to be prepared. Once we get closer, we need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. We have 300 meters. So from here, the broken line gonna start. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the right. So once you come to the right, just make sure my light is red, but I can go to the right. I have here there is a yield sign. I must make sure if it is necessary I need to stop, otherwise I don't. So a car is coming, I need to go after this car. So now put the signal. After blind spot, I can go to the right. Here he gonna ask you first street right turn, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. So in the first street we are going to the right. Again, this is snow time, so we cannot see the line which is at the middle. So you can take the right as much as possible. This is like a G2 because they are taking you to the local streets, which is speed is 40. So if a car is parked on your right side, so you must have 1 meter gap from that car. Very heavy snow. So any car is coming, just check left, right. An intersection is coming. And snow time, it is a little bit hard to brake, but the cars who are modern cars, they have ABS. ABS is helping a lot. So I can hear the voice of train. Here in this intersection we are going to the right. So check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and after this car I need to come to the complete stop. This is what I need to do, complete stop. Don't do rolling stop. There is no stop, this is. So the people who are in my back, they don't know I need to come to the complete stop. They are honking, don't care about those kind of people. So go to the right. So we are going back to the highway 6 again. We are joining. Just make sure while joining, pick up the speed. Speed is 70. So from here I need to check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot. From this broken line I need to go. Now here, this speed is from not from the freeway, this is from the other street. This is, the name is different. So here I need to go to the right, check the mirror, put the signal to the left, and speed is 70. I can join on 52 because my front car, they are not going 70. So when the traffic is heavy, there is heavy traffic, so at that time you can go to the join to the 50, or if the situation is like this. So probably he will ask you make a lane change to the left, so I will do that. Check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot, come to the left. So next intersection he gonna ask you make a left turn, so check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot. From this broken line I can go to the left. So my light, the light is green, but that is not my light. I have left turn light. I need to wait for the left turn signal. Oh, I have green light. So here I basically I need to go to the right, but the examiner will take you to the left. Check the mirrors, put the signal, check the blind spot. From this broken line you can come to the left. Try to have enough distance. The car who are parked who are stopped in front of you, you must have enough space. So we got arrow, hopefully we're able to go. If the arrow changed to amber, you need to stop. It's changed to amber, so I cannot go in this situation because the pedestrians start going. So I need to creep up a little bit, but wait for the pedestrian in upcoming traffic. So once the light changed to amber and there is no pedestrian, then you can go. So it changed to amber, other car stop, now I can go. So speed here is 50, you can go to 50. So if the traffic is busy, you cannot go 50 definitely. So my speed is 47, I can go. If there is no traffic congestion and you have winter tire, speed is 50, but you can go 45, 47, that's good. And you can control very well. If you cannot control very well, so it is a little bit hard. The examiner also, they know that if your speed is a little bit slower in the winter, they know that it is a little bit hard to follow the speed limit. So you need to stop if it is necessary. We must have enough gap. An intersection coming, check left, right, rear view mirror. So now my speed is 44 because there is other car in front of me, so they are not going 50 or 60. The speed now is changed to 60. So an intersection, an entrance is coming, make sure you need to check left, right. winter. A lot of snow. So check left, right, any intersection, any entrance is coming, railway is coming, you need to check that. So our light is green, but we are not sure it is changing to amber or not. It's changed to amber. I need to come to the complete stop here. Wow, so heavy snow. So while stopping, check rear view mirror. In the winter it is so important, necessary, because cars cannot brake very well, so it is a little bit hard in the winter, so you must wash rear view mirror regularly. Check the pedestrian lights. Pedestrian lights gonna help you. It is 11, 10, so it's gonna help us to be ready to the test, to the light, to the green light. Now it is 0, so it's gonna change. Yes, check left, right. From here he gonna take you to the plaza, so that is easy for you. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. From here you can go directly to the test center. Even they are taking you from the left or right or from the centers. That is easy. Once you come back to the plaza, they're gonna ask you to do the front parking somewhere or park somewhere. You can do that. That is easy. I'm going here. Check the right. I wanna park close by this car. Put the signal to the right. And once you stop, he gonna tell you, congratulations, you meet the shift the gear to park. He gonna tell you, congratulations, you meet the standard of the Ministry of Ontario, Transportation of Ontario. Thank you so much for watching.